Yo. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Me no waka say there. Ghana Black Stars, ye dream, say ye be reach semi-finals. Ewo ongoing World Cup 2026 in America no. But therefore, ye woy ya. Ye body. Anya banchi. Yo. Ma desre dia ba ko a mepese me de beto Ghana for empanimfo anim tie. Ma desre dia nyina ne say Ghana Black Stars any diem ye local league na ye bono yen hwe hunu say every tournament be a Ghana Black Stars ebobo bia no e was 6 local players there ye yi omu free ye league na ye ball Ghana nim so say binding in nice form so say ye de call parliament na parliamentarians ne transfer ne ye hemra bia enka ebeye me de ye nyina ye hu ye team a ye de call America Cup World Cup yi en sheda nye hu bia sa. And most young can cry. Your local players be or hoa more Ghana said you want to coin that. Omunya stage where ya a jumo bayano. A big crana Sabi and Crofoy who's a mobile abrucheno. Omuntimi more the local players in bay. And besides, say yes, some rabbit to say every tournament be a becobiano Black Stars no ye use 6 local players are a bad boy a league, you know. I'm a sabi boys to mobile league, you know. A baby was a derby. And it does be a homo, and it is omo yiri omo na ye frɛ omo ekoka Black Stars no mo konya international stage a sabi outside world no so be dey ebe hu omo ye nyina hu Benjamin Asare o ye local goalkeeper but ye nhwe nsenkyerene a okoye e World Cup na se eduru ba bia ye take decision amom ye nwene sabi oni bie ho Ghana amom ye nwene oni bie fo ne so ho kakra omuni okamafobia no this is the time mommy anyino omuni okamafobia no sabi nyankopon adom omo adom achede bia omu betima ye bibia bo man mommy anyino mo so ho yaw no eja hey so se enka no kra bo Black Stars ekobo tournament we no ye yi Ghana league na ye bo no best 11 omebo bo asen de omkoye ohoyi Omubabobo asen yo mkoye ohoyi. Ombabobo asen ye. No bobo ye come ni omo aso mami aso mumu ayedu ase chenchene twan kuntan mini ho atim ni ho won. Na enra Ghana ni Colombia match no SHATTA Wale edit tweet bi eba bonten or say I told my wife if it's that goalkeeper there they will score us quick. Okay. So what the boy chacha ye free bibi intuition. On say to da bia bibi timi kasa cho spirit say adie we because of this no bibi besi. No obia ne ni intuition, obia ne ni feeling, okay? Obia timi say no adie we there asomasi a ye de na ba ha there bibi besi. Asomasi a de ni koye say there bibi besi. E feeling, intuition, adie bia o describe ye nye ye. Natural. And it is a Osha SHATTA Wale tweet na. First thing I mean who ye ne say o tweet ye out of the intuition. Utimi so who line up no ne yam she no. And until the bia a man catch and wife said there be keeper na sabi ye de ne ba ne de wan hwe ya eno man koye e ma Black Stars. Eye intuition. Intuition. I say ye bo penalties. Player bi o ha o che ball na o de koto penalty ade ni ma bɔ no o yam timi shows there be player we me hwe ne nante o de kwa wan hwe your best say penalty no intuition ade bi wo e bowraw feeling bi etimi siw so one time and you know while a tweet no first thing me hu e wo e ho no me hu say there be o hu line up no ne yam hye no Yes, be a time keeper no atisigi there be on time no. 2. Ye nyina ye nim ensenkyerene a Benjamin Asare akoye ewo World Cup yase. Benjamin Asare performance ye ball first round ni wie ye no You rated top 10 goalkeepers at the tournament. No. Now Benjamin Asare etos number 5. Muntieni ye. Now Benjamin Asare etos number 5 out of what they professional keepers I do mukoye. Any Benjamin Asare standard even on now go on power abrocheda. But the performance no and then the kanya saw ye no. Ema wiase nyina hu se Benjamin Asare wo ye obi a wo se Ghana for any corner ho no mu use no ebebo mo amoma ko manim enu nti no me hu Wale tweet no de ba me tim no se bia Wale hu se da bi oh na adwuma any modern mo a se bi Benjamin Asare boy how come say bia ye den ye ma na tena se na ye di different keeper aba out of that shock no obetimi obi ben obetimi aka chen say Benjamin Asare ya drop in there and one share bibi Bonah besi eh normal again we say obi enu ordinance bonkum eche ni fie kwan Benjamin Asare a player World Cup na say and irrespective of emra ye dey achichiri players ni nyina about exposing brands on the stage Benjamin Asare represented SHATTA Wale on such a stage. Therefore, so who read the terms and conditions a World Cup a year boy. Any prices our brands need to answer our brand are represented our tournament for yes on. You can't a bonnet trial show $1 million more. Now player B epe wasem player B a vibe with onion or energy. Now what do some pen so no. Now o drew stage in so no. Also we are singing I say musician be your friend SHATTA Wale. Nenyom na metie na Nyankopon de madrum pempen so amaduri. Na all represent or brand no on such a stage No musician in this world and who says sa player no ye dropping a obeka na no atum. E wi ase asemba moma yen ka no kre. Asemba moma yen ka no kre. Benjamin Asare love na what show SHATTA Wale our World Cup na se no. Enya ade a SHATTA Wale hu se ye dropping a ebeye ne de. Eye normal. Eno nche se ebia the other keeper no SHATTA Wale tan no there bi. Ewi asempanifo se obi bi ni nia wa ye ne yie. Eno nti no Wale hu se ye drop Benjamin Asare no. Eno no ye betima hye no because hey na dey no mo drop no. And the Benjamin mo dropping in the one share bibi besi. Because Sabi said Wale e wampaye bi, Wale wo sunsun bi, Wale wo bibia. Na ye yusu Benjamin Asare na or the better na chi extra. Because onim se Benjamin Asare no e boa magana di nkunima, Sabi onu nsu di meden. E ba ye kese e World Cup stage which is very normal. Ubusa boys no mbo kakalika na. Da biomu komunko to djuma omo bompa say Ghana Black Stars enhye go no munyusu kakalika no fansa no munyum ne nya kese eye very normal musician bi anywhere say be players e ko ye omo use ni product omo use ni nyum omo use ni signs omo use ni symbols ni ntade e de ye bibi na ye drop sa player na obeka na no atum. Let's be fair. Let's be fair. Eya. No. Eya. On say eya. Okasa obeka nya yenka. But to me, SHATTA Wale tweet menti asiemu eno no. Me tena say read the diplomatic condition of the tweet Say ana me decode Say na me mete ni tweet asifaye. Me hu ni say it was about hate. To me, it was about intuition. It was about brand representation. It was about business.